Hi, welcome back to Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and the topic today is password management. The end of the year is coming, and we are all looking for ways to maximize productivity and streamline workflows. One of the most common slowdowns that we experience through our days are related to passwords. There are so many sites and systems that we need to access and passwords to remember. Additionally, even though it is an extra step, it is so important that we have two-factor authentication enabled for all the accounts that we log into every day. Having an offline password manager will help your employees in many ways. It will help reduce the risk of password-related security issues that lead to security incidents, help access systems faster, and allow secure access in a common place for all of your passwords and two-factor authentication keys. I'd be happy to talk to you more about the benefits of implementing a solution to help with this. Please reach out to me today if you'd like to discuss a solution that's right for your business. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time.